are going to continue with the group echinoderms. This is the last group of invertebrates that we are going to study. And inside these groups, we have left arthropods already, okay? Inside this group, we are going to find a starfish, las estrellas de mar, sea cucumbers, no, los pepinos de mar, sea orquídeas de mar, all those, okay? They are all marine. They are all going to live in the oceans, and they can live near the coast, or they can live on the ocean floor, deep on the ocean floor, okay, or near the coast, no, más bien cerca de la superficie o en la profundidad marina, both places. But when they are very small, when they are just born, they are larvae and they are very small. And the type of symmetry that they have is bilateral symmetry. Okay, on this stage, they are bilateral symmetry. Remember, that is when you divide one body into, okay, into parts, and those parts are exactly equal. But when they grow, and when they become adults, what we are going to have is radial symmetry. If you have a starfish, this starfish can be cut. It's like a ball, right? So you can cut it in different, through different ways, and you're going to have two parts that are equal. It has like many cuts. I have just one, and if you have radial symmetry, imagine that you have a ball here, you can have many different cuts, and you're going to get two equal parts, okay? It has no segments, they are not divided in segments. You cannot see, imagine a starfish, you cannot see a head, right? You don't have head, you don't have thorax, you don't have abdomen. The whole animal is the same thing, it has the same shape. But if you go back, if you go to the underside, you can find that they do have a mouth, okay? Why? Because most of them, they are carnivores and they are predators, okay? Don't you think that it's just something that is lying there? Small fishes are their prey. In the skeleton, for the protection, remember that many invertebrates were going to have an exoskeleton, but some of them, they are going to have an endoskeleton. The composition of this skeleton is quite, not exactly, but quite similar to the bones that we have, okay, because it's calcium carbonate, carbonato cálcico, like our bones. Our bones have this and other type of things and cells, no? But they do have calcium carbonate, and that is why they are called like that, okay, because these plates are quite hard, and if you touch them, pinchan, no? They are spinning. So the name is echinodermo. Dermo means skin, and echino is that they are spinning, okay? That que pinchan, que pueden pinchar. So that's why they have this name. They have a water vascular system, and this is very effective for the movement and to feed themselves, okay? Because when they move, they are going to hunt. They have to move themselves to hunt the prey, okay? And to put the prey inside the mouth. And they have tube feet with suction pads. So in the underside of the animal, you are going to have suction pads. Son como ventosas. So when they walk, they are going to join those pads, those suction pads, and when they join it to the floor, they are going to be able to walk. Okay? In Spanish, tienes eso como unas ventosas. Esas ventosas se van uniendo al sustrato y hace que le facilite el movimiento, el andar. I will show you a video of how an echinoderm can go walking through the sand, and it's quite interesting. From echinoderms, we are going to study two groups. Okay, the first one, Stelleroidea, which is the estrella, no? More or less similar. So the starfish is going to be included here, and it's so beautiful, the starfish. Well, be careful, it's a carnivore, it's a predator. Okay, and the tube feet, the suction pads that I have been talking about, they are going to use them for movement, to hunt. And then we have Echinoidea, que they are the sea urchins, ¿vale? Las orquídeas de mar. They have this name because they look like flowers. They look quite like flowers and they are really beautiful, okay? But they are herbivores and they have also these 2 feet, okay? So this is most of it for today. We have finished arthropods with insects, and now we have finished the whole invertebrate groups with echinoderms. Okay, thank you so much. Bye-bye.